Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add automatic borders in Excel cell. So it's very simple idea. So simply we want to enter some data here. So what we need to do? So first of all, we have to select the area where we want to enter and add automatic borders. So we have select this area and now go to the conditional formatting, click new rule, then click the format cell only, then click here no blanks. Now format cells, borders, outlines, press OK. Then OK. And here I will enter data. This will add automatic borders to the cells. Simply we want to product name that lava and the border name L. The price is at 1000. Now again I will enter any data. As you can see, this is adding automatic borders. And if you want to change the border color, so what we need to do, as you can see, here is the automatic borders. If you want to change the colors of the border, what you need to do, so simply select the area, click on the conditional formatting, then click manage rule, then click edit, then no blanks, format, select automatic borders, outlines, press OK, then OK back, apply. So as you can see, the borders colors have changed. If you try to enter any other data here, like as you can see, this is changed the borders color here. So this is very simple idea to do. So if you like this video, and so please subscribe this channel. Thank you.